There are several things you should be aware of. So let's say I have a new reporter starting with us December 1. So let me pull up a resources screen, and I'm going to go ahead and right click new to set up a profile for this new reporter. Now there are several date fields in here like many other screens. Date started. So all I have to do is simply click that little down arrow next to the date field. When I click it, it brings up a nice little calendar, perpetual calendar built into RBA called Date Navigator. And right arrow takes me to the next month. Left arrow takes me to the previous month. If I click on the name of the month, actually it'll have a drop down containing all 12 months that I can select the one quickly. I can actually also click on the year itself, and then it gives me up and down arrow, which I can cycle through the years. The date that is circled in red indicates it is today's date, and so all you have to do is simply, let's say I'm going to select the December 1 as a starting date. But sometimes though, it like a date to specify date of birth, unless this reporter was born this year, it will be very time consuming for me to use the Date Navigator to cycle through 40, 50, 60 years. So, which means that there should be a way I can just simply type directly using my keyboard. So if you click into the date field, and as it gets highlight a particular field such as month, you can simply type 3 to indicate a March, and then use the right arrow to go to the right and say March 12, right arrow, and then type 1955. And if you keep typing right arrow, then it simply will cycle through, or left arrow will go backwards. Okay? So the right arrow, left arrow will move around those subfields within a date field.